To create a flag in My Operations, simply select Map at the bottom of the page to go into the Map application. In your toolbar, you'll see a flag with a plus button to create a new flag. You have two choices. You can simply select on the map where you would like to place the flag. That is one way. The other option is to select the icon with the blue dot in the flag to use your current phone location to mark the flag. Either choice will work. Once the flag location has been determined, simply pull up flag information from the bottom to fill out additional information. If we look at category, we're currently set to field notes. I have preloaded different conditions to select from that have already been pre-configured. So I can mark rocks, tile holes, weeds all separately of each other, and all of those flags are color-coded differently. If you would like to set those up, simply select Add at the bottom of the page, enter a new category title for your current flag. You can also select a color to assign to that flag, as well as star it and make it a favorite. Once complete, select Save to save that flag category. You also have the ability to edit already set up flags. If I would like to go in to Tower and change the name, I could adjust it and say Electrical Tower if I desired to do that. Once complete, hit Save. Once we have our categories set up, we can simply choose what flag we would like to identify. In this case, I'm going to select rocks. So now I can see this flag is set up as a category rock. I can also select a field that I would like to assign this flag to. Keep in mind, if you have active boundaries and you are currently standing in the field will already be pre-selected. I also have the ability to put in free-form notes about the flag to use at a different date. So maybe I found the flag while I was planning, and I know it's big enough I might need to use the skid loader. I also have the ability to hit Add Photo to take a photo with my phone to attach with this flag. Once complete, hit Save at the top to save that flag, and it will be viewable on the map as long as all of the settings have been pre-populated. See, I have another field in my organization that currently has some flags selected as well. If I would like to view information on those flags, simply select the flag, pull up the information. If I would like to view the picture, I can do that as well. When done, I can pull down from the bottom. If I have a flag that is no longer needed, I can pull up the information on the flag, select the three dots on the right-hand side, and I can either archive or delete that flag if it is unneeded anymore. This is how we can utilize the flag feature in My Operations.